Hi there, my name is Ruben from Torus. In today's short video, I'm going to be showing you how when you add a user into Gallagher Command Centre, when configured correctly, that user will come across into the Torus platform. Firstly, you're going to open up Command Centre, and you can see we currently do not have a user in the system called Leah McDonald. The first thing we're going to do is click on Create Cardholder and enter in their first name and surname. Once we've done this, that user is then created in Gallagher. We need to assign access by clicking on Assign Access here and adding them into one of the access groups that we are synchronizing between Gallagher and Torus. Once we've added the access in here, the last step we need to do is add in their biometric card details. You click on Assign Card, and for this demonstration, we're going to be using the MyFair card type. We need to enter in their card ID, which in this case is going to be ID number 6, and press OK. Once we've done that and we've saved this user is now set up within the Gallagher system. Moving across to our Torus dashboard, you can see that underneath the integration record and underneath our Gallagher integration and under access groups, we have currently chosen the Gallagher All Keys access group to be syncing between Torus and Gallagher. We need to go across to card holders, and I'm going to force a sync between Torus and Gallagher. Currently, it's set up as an interval-based synchronization every 5 minutes, but I've forced sync by pressing the force sync button here. Moving across to users, we can now search for users within Torus, and we can see that Leah McDonald is now a user within the Torus system. Going across to accessible items, you can now see that this user also has access to keys 1 to 15 in the Torus cabinet because of how it's been configured.
Leah McDonald presents her MyFair card to the Gallagher card reader, which is attached to the Torus cabinet. The Torus cabinet authenticates Leah's credentials and proceeds to log her in. The Torus cabinet door then opens and the keys that Leah has access to unlock and light up green.